So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to first go to your phone menu. So when you get to your phone menu, what you have to do is to try to search for your phone settings. So when you find your phone settings, what you have to do is to just tap on it to open it. So when you tap on it to open it, what you have to do is to tap on SIM card and mobile network. So tap over here, okay? So when you tap over here, what you have to do is to tap or select the SIM card you are using. So we have two over here, which is SIM 1 and SIM 2, and SIM 1 is mobile MTN GH and SIM 2 is Voda GH. So let's select one. So when you tap on it, or when you select one, what you have to do is to tap on preferred network type, then select 2G/3G/4G or 2, select this. Then after that, tap on choose network and make sure automatically select network is turned on. Then after that, go back and scroll down a little bit. Now tap on access point names. So tap on access point names, which is APNS. When you tap on it, you're going to see this. So just tap on the three dots over here at the top right corner to tap on it. Then after that, you're going to see reset to default. So just tap on the reset to default. And we're going to see restoring default APN settings. So as you can see, reset default APN settings. So after doing this, you are done. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video.